am Tangie from Tangiessubtleluxuries, and thank you for coming back to my channel and clicking on my face. So today I have a great video for you guys. I just picked up some little things and I just wanted to show you what I picked up and just go ahead and share it with you. But before we get started, come on, go ahead and just smash that subscribe button. Come on to be a part of the family. You know what? We have fun over here and we would love for you to be a part of the family. And if you're an OG, thank you for coming back, because I love you guys and I just thank you so much for being a part of the family and for all your support. Now, let's get on with the video. Okay, the first thing I wanted to show you that I picked up is from Target. And I love this bag. Look at it. It is so cute. It's called Pardon My Fro. I think it was like 25 bucks. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. Right here it says Pardon My Fro. On the back it has it. I picked it up in the yellow. I think it comes in blue and black and the yellow, and I picked it up in the yellow. So I was thinking that it would be great to add some color to go with my Marc Jacobs bag for like the summertime. See my Marc Jacobs bag and see Pardon My Fro and the colors and stuff like that, and it could just jazz it up and just set it right in here and just keep it moving. So that is why I got it also, to just go ahead with this tote. And it looks really good. I love it. It's really nice. It has this zipper pull right here. This has the stuffing in it right here. It has a little zipper in the inside right here. And then it has these two little pockets over here on the side. So it's really nice. It's not leather or anything, but it's good to, when you have a tote. When I normally carry my totes, I like to, because totes don't have any structure or any organization. I mean, they have structure, some of them, but they don't have any organization. So I use pouches within my totes to just get to things easily and to find things easily. So I would think this would be a good addition to go ahead and go with my Marc Jacobs tote. And I like it because, you know, I have braids now, but, you know, I have a fro. So I just loved it. I just like the way that this looks. It's nice. So when I was in Target, I just went ahead and picked it up. And I absolutely love it. And, you know, I wear headscarves, so I love it. I wear my fro. I just love it. And the colors are just so beautiful. So that's one thing that I picked up. The other thing that I picked up is this bag. Now, I got this from Walmart. Now, I was going to buy the Bottega bag, but $3,000? I just did not think that $3,000 is worth it for this bag. And I was like, I just didn't want to do it. It smells good, it feels good, but it's not leather. It's PU leather. But anyway, it's nice. I love the way it carries. You know, I love to carry my bags handheld. I just love the way it actually, to hold it. It can go on my arm too, so that's nice. But I just mainly carry it handheld. Here is the zipper. So it has a zipper closure. I had it open, but here's a zipper right here. So show you guys the zipper. And then inside, it's very small. So see, it's very small. I don't know if you can see inside, but it does have this zipper. It does have a zipper pocket over here. So it does have that right here. I don't put anything in it though. And it does pack a put. Now it's small, so I don't carry that much anyway. I just carry my card case, lip gloss, and my key fob pouch. So that's about it that I would put in here. It has, I've seen a little, yeah. It comes with this little tag or something in it. I don't know why. It's not leather or anything. It's just a piece of fake leather on it, fox leather, and basically foam or something. I don't know. But it did come in this bag or whatever, so that's nice for storage. But look at it, it's made really good. It really is. It's a great dupe. before the Bottega. It was only $25. And you know, I will list everything down below. You know, I got you. But here is the front. Here the side. Here's the side. Here is the other side. And here is the back. And it's very nice. It's made very nice. This is a nice bag. For 25 bucks, it's made so nice. It just looks so nice. I love it. So you can see the detail. Get it up close so you can see the detail. It's made very nice. Here's the bottom. So I love it. And here's the handle. I absolutely love this bag. I've already carried this too before I showed it to you, because I was so ecstatic to carry it, because I like it just that much. So I wanted to hurry up and carry it, but I really do like it. It's a really nice bag, and it's made very nice as well. You can see some things like I can show you, like right here. It has a little clip thing right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here where it's like one of those fasten clips or whatever that you clip around. Now you can see that. The zipper pull is nice. Here it is right here, but it's some things that I noticed on it. It's not noticeable if you're not really looking at that part, but I did notice that I think it should have been hidden a little bit. I think it should have been hidden a little bit more, but it's not. So that's that. I wish that was hidden a little bit more, but it's not. I think that would have been hidden. I don't know if you could pull this down any more and hide it. I don't think so, because of the way it is. I don't know, but it's still, you can still see it. So I don't know. I don't know if this is supposed to go down any further for you not to see it. Maybe it's because I had pulled it up, but I know now that I know it's there. But hey, look, I hid it, so you can't see it. So maybe it was me. Maybe it was supposed to go down some more or something like that. I don't know. But for the price, $20-something, I mean, you can't beat it. For $20-something, you cannot beat that. So it's really nice. I mean, I really like it. I think it's very, very nice. I like it. So that's that. So really a plus. Love it. And then the last thing I picked up was this. This is the multi handbag. Let me show you this. I have not used this because I wanted to show it to you guys, and I wanted this to be a real unboxing because I wanted to share this with you guys. So excuse me. Here it is. Take it out the bag. It is the multi-shoulder bag by, look at it, by Dooney and Bourke. Now, I didn't know how I felt about these bags before. I seen them around. I had a little small pouch in Louis Vuitton like this, but I sold it. Don't ask me why, because now I'm wishing that I still had it. But I absolutely love this. I seen Anita with a bag, not this one, but she had a multicolored Dooney and Bourke. And she was talking about how she really liked that bag and everything. And then I said, maybe I will try that. And Anita has a lot of Dooney and Bourke's. She's a Dooney Bourke lover. Check her channel out. I love Anita's Favorites. She's absolutely amazing. Matter of fact, I will link her channel down below. Well, anyway, and saying so I said, let me try the bag out. So here she is in all her glory and stuff, and I love her. Now this part of the bag right here, it's canvas. But then around here, you can see the detail. Look at it. Like, this is leather, the leather detail. And it has it right here and right here. And look, it has feet. It has feet. So, therefore, I don't have to worry about it when I set it down. And then look, it has the pocket on the back, which I absolutely love. And then look, the zipper pull has the tassel on it, as well. And oh my God, it opens so nice. And I love that. And then look, it has a zipper on the back that really opens nice. Let me see, my cell phone is big, so I know my cell phone will not fit down in there. Usually I just put my cell phone in my purses and have it up like this, but I wouldn't do it with this one. This is so nice. I love it. And then look, with the red poking through, that is one thing that I love about Dooney and Bourke, the red. And then look at the strap gusset. Look, it has leather all going down here, and then the trim. And then I loved how it's stitched in the yellow, in the gold. That is so pretty because it goes like with the gold or the yellow in the bag. And then also this tassel, love it. And then it has Dooney and Bourke 1975 right here. And then it has the Dooney and Bourke in the multiple colors, the D and the B in multiple colors. And then it does say 1975 as well. And then I just love the leather on the edges, on the edges of the bag. So I love that about it. And this bag is so, so nice. It is so nice. Just looking at it to make it, to see. I think this is Florentine leather, and it's like that. It does have some scratches. You know how I am about scratches because I didn't do the scratches on the bag, but I like this bag so much. And it does have scratches like right here. I don't know if you can see them, but I can see them. But you know what? This time I'm not going to worry about it because they're not really that noticeable. It's just, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it scratches, but you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. It's not really that noticeable, but I just got to check this back. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, why does this happen to me? You know what? I love Dooney and Bourke so much, but you know what? I was waiting to show you guys this. And this bag, man, why? Now I won't be keeping it because if you can see all up in here, it looks like it's cracked. And it doesn't look like the cracking is going to get any better. Oh my goodness. I love this bag and look at it. It does not seem like the cracking is going to get better. It seems like it's going to get worse. It's all cracked right there. Cracked. It looks really bad. Now that, I don't know what it is. Every time I order a Dooney and Bourke handbag, that happens. It's always something wrong with it. I cannot keep this handbag. I can't. I cannot. This is the, this is like the millionth time this has happened. I think this is like the third or fourth time this has happened to me. And I really like this handbag. I really do. And I'm really upset now, but I'm glad I experienced that with you guys, but that is not, I don't think that is going to come out. That wrinkling right there, that is really, yeah, it's really cracked. Oh no. That is cracked all up in there because this side isn't like that. This side isn't like that at all. It's not cracked, but this side, look at it. It is like really cracked. Look, you can see it. Looks bad. The cracking. So I'm not going to take the handle off or anything because of that, but I did take everything out so I could show you inside. It has this strap for your key. It does have a pocket right here, and it does have a pocket over here. So, and then the red interior, which I absolutely love. I am just so upset about this bag. And it does have the strap, so you can see where it hits me on the shoulder, which I absolutely love. I'm going to tell you, I wanted to love this bag. I really did, but I'm upset. I really am upset, and I know you guys can see that I'm upset because I am. I don't know what it is. I guess every time I order from Dooney and Bourke, I love Dooney or Dooney and Bourke. It's an absolute fail. I don't know. It seems like I cannot get it right. Well, they can't get it right, but I'm going to have to send this bag back. I am so glad that I did open it with you guys, to share it with you guys, and that I did it in a decent amount of time, because this makes no sense. I am really upset. I was going to keep it because of the scratch on it, because that didn't matter to me, but this right here, I cannot keep this. I mean, that creasing right there and all of that, it looks bad, and I can tell you, if that's happening right now, it's gonna keep happening, and I will show it to you again. So here, let me put it up so you guys can see it. See all the creasing and the cracking right there? So if it's happening now, it's gonna keep on happening. So this bag was $119, which was a very good price, and I thought that it was a great price on it. And the number for it, if you want to order it, is ILD 104446861. So that is it, you guys. That is all I have for you. I'm sorry that I'm kind of down now, because I really wanted to like this bag, and I really wanted this bag. So that is all I have for you today, family. I will see you again with next Sunday. Love you, family. Mwah, mwah.